Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this small mobile standing desk. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and unbox it, set it up, and I'll show you the great features. Here are all the pieces included: the desktop surface, the sturdy steel frame, hidden casters, and the electric keypad controller. Everything that you need is inside the box. The assembly is quick and straightforward. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes and all the tools you need are included. You can even choose to place the control panel on the left side or the right side depending on your preference. Once assembled, you've got a strong, compact desk and you are ready to go. Here's the finished setup: a sleek, modern workstation that blends into any room. The best part about this desk is that it's fully electric. Just press the button and you can raise it all the way up to standing height and lower it back down again smoothly and quietly all the way to its lowest setting. It comes with 3 memory presets so you can save your favorite positions and return to them instantly. On the side, you'll find a handy headphone hook, perfect for keeping your workspace clutter-free and organized. And thanks to the hidden 360-degree casters, you can roll the desk easily across different rooms. Just plug it into a standard wall outlet and it's ready to use anywhere in any room. The desk is built for flexibility. Use it standing or sitting with different chairs in a home office, in a dorm room, in a bedroom, or even next to your sofa. Wherever you need it, it moves with you. This desk is compact, sturdy, and versatile. The mobile standing desk is designed to make your work, study, or relaxation more comfortable. Whether you're working, reading, or just enjoying your coffee, this desk is your perfect companion. So if you've been on the lookout for a desk that adapts to your lifestyle, whether it's for work, whether it's for leisure, whether it's for school, this is the perfect desk for you. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below so you can check it out.